The online class today is going to look different. I want to do something a little more visual to kind of help everybody see visually where everything is. It's hopefully going to be a little bit more engaging than just posting a bunch of links to videos. This is going to give you a sneak peek of what it's going to be like every day. From now on, the videos are going to be in the different classes. So this class, okay, this is my Bitmoji, by the way. Bitmojis, yeah, they never look like the person, and I know that doesn't really look like me. That's about the closest I could find to look something like me. Hopefully, maybe not, probably not. I don't know. It just pretend that's me. Okay. Uh, this is my Bitmoji. This is my classroom. I wish, right? But from now on, this is going to be the English room. Okay, English class. All right. If you want to watch the English class video, you click on this, then you go to uh, the video. It'll take you right there. All right. Every day, see this little picture thing? This is going to be the music of the day. So sometimes you just need music to listen to help you concentrate. This is going to do that for you. Today I've got In My Bubble. I kind of like it. Tell me what you think. Okay. It's just music to help you concentrate. It's not supposed to be, it doesn't have any lyrics or anything. But every day there'll be something new there. So this is English, all right? This is the math room, all right? This is going to be the math video up here. Whoop. And you can click on that, go to the math video, watch it. Um, and then if you don't understand the concept, if you need a little more help, I'm going to have a video for you to watch. It'll give you another quick explanation of the concept of the day. Okay, so there's that. And then we've got social studies. I've got the main video here. And I've got a couple of other videos just to kind of help you. If you read this and you want to learn a little bit more, there's a couple more videos here. This is the science room. That's the main video up there. You click on that, takes you to the video. And then here's like another explanation of the video, and here's another one. So, um, yeah. So this is what all the videos are going to look like from now on. The classroom will always stay the same, but we'll have different videos rotating throughout. And I don't know, something different, something more visual. Sometimes it's easier for people to see things in a more visual way than just a bunch of links to go to other videos. So this is what it's going to look like from now on. That's how you use it. Um, so I hope you will have a good day today and enjoy.